Watch your mouth, no dissing me. You know we all saw it. You say I'm fake, that's your opinion, that's just y'all story. Just face the fact I was y'all blessing, but y'all ignored it. Your quest for fame had you distorted, not accepting sorry.
You can go over?
No, you right. Still ready. You stop trying to fit yourself over yourself. Ready? Yeah. What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and today I have my lovely girlfriend with me. And today we're doing a challenge based off some videos that I've been posting on my main channel where I try to do a public interview where people could have sing their favorite dancehall songs in standard English. But we say we're gonna try it. So it's like me have to go challenge her, she have to go challenge me. And because of my channel, me want to be the first person to challenge you. And the first song me I challenge you with is, let me go for my computer because I have to use it as a reference. The Alkaline Suave. Alright, sing the part where you know. In a part what first?
When Mr. Suave, Suave, one make Mr. Suave. Alright. Suave, Suave, look how I'm suave. Suave, Suave, look how I'm suave. Jump into Gucci, jump into Versace.
Alright. Alright, your time now.
You know what song was say? But bend down low, make me tell you what me know.
Alright, my message you can't do me.
Cartel.
About me? What you know about me?
Gaza girls.
Let me find the part. I can't sing any part.
Do your favorite part. You have to go up with the same rhythm, the same flow.
32 minus 24 in that amount of months, the baby will be born for sure. You got the icicle and you liked it. Your time. Your time. Your time. Your time.
You got the...
Your time.
My Gucci belt is the realest. My rose, what kind of chain? Rosary?
Rosary.
Rosary? Rosary chain is the realest.
I don't know the song.
No,
it's the purest.
I think it's the purest. Alkaline, perfect.
Say good, your body is hot when you are twerking it.
Good.
Good is a English word. Good.
Pronounce it properly.
Just cool, man.
Good.
Say good, your body is hot when you are twerking it. Twerk it. Twerk it. I like a girl who is with every man who is in the circuit. 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 Give me your ears. Let me tell you something that you want to hear. Want to hear?
Want to hear?
Jada Kingdom Banana, every day you sing that. I'm gonna get that for reference. I know you don't know no more than the first part, you know. But
I want my fruit. That banana. Time to get loose. Give me what I want. Banana no more. I don't know. Panda jockey.
take your time with your body, darling. That's not 6:30 because your back is not bent. Sit down for the jockey. sit down for the jockey. I mean,
they're good.
Him somewhere there skin your teeth off when we do the one of me pen. Luxy doll.
Yeah. Luxy doll. I love you, girl.
Yeah.
Mama ear, come in and know you.
Yeah, you look like a luxy doll. So much perfection without the flaws. I would like to see you without you.
You look like a luxury doll. So perfect without the flaws, you say? Yeah. My dolly. Governor wanna move.
Alright. You know it's my fault because you fell for the blowout thing. For you went and fell for the blowout thing. I don't remember what I did. I just see you like it corresponds.
I'm gonna pass out that one.
You can't pass it because you give me a song too, you know?
Yeah, sorry, I F some girl.
You see it? Sorry that I had S with some girls that I had S with. Some of you girls chat a lot. Pure S it. Alright, come, your turn now. Give you a song now. Give you a song. Can't get a massacre. Yeah, right, Chinky. You don't know, you're probably not gonna do it so good. Yeah. Yeah. Why you sing this?
Me not remember this song, babe. I stepped out in white. And every girl is crying out for a photo.
Every girl is crying out for a photo.
Every girl is crying out.
Every girl crying out for photos.
No. Me say stepped. I didn't say.
I'm not about step. Every girl is crying for photo.
For a photo.
Yeah man, you're going. Give me my song.
Wait it. I stepped out in white and every girl is crying out
Stop
photo.
protest. Take your last.
If I don't trouble you, you don't trouble me.
Take your last.
I'm in
Alright,
my...
babe, come on, give me my song.
Alright, ready. Governor Baked Bean.
Play for reference.
National, we no wife but a years girl. Man a star, yo, and every girl fit me. Jenna, mother of people, girl fit.
Play back the party again if I can read general.
National, we no wife but a years girl. Man a star, yo, and every girl fit me. Jenna.
I'm a star, and I know that not every girl fits me. General Razor, I'm mother of the people's girls pick me.
English.
Science teacher. Girl thief, I'll take your girl swiftly. One girl, you must be mad. You must be mad. It should be 150. Mad. Come, give me your.
Whoa.
Give me your though.
Whoa.
Alright. Next one now.
Run it, selector.
Why you do it to this double? That's all I can do.
More your front.
Oh.
Alright. Selector wants this one for the girls to bubble on. Wally Palu.
Yo, you know what? Yo, I'm gonna do that challenge. I do that challenge, yeah, so. People may open to enjoy the challenge because.
I want to get the last one.
Alright.
I want to get the last one.
Alright. So you're looking at me eye, so like at me eye music there.
QQ.
But you can't give me no song I don't know.
You don't know no
I
QQ?
don't listen to QQ. Alright, give me a song.
One drop.
I don't listen to that.
Baby, no one drop.
I hear of it, I don't know the song.
Alright. Walk like a dog.
Yo, me I don't do video. You call me?
No,
Me don't know
you're
them songs. Me
not
don't listen them. Me
listening.
don't listen them songs. Me don't listen
Baby,
them.
don't know what like a dog and cock up on a piece.
I don't listen them songs. Them.
Alright, wait. Ramping shop.
My thing is longer than my Nike. Tell me what you like. You want me to drive or you want to ride it like a bike? I'm not gonna sing Spice part. That's the challenge I done.
When you
No, me never. You know you want to get up there mood. I know. Hey people, the video done yesterday.
When you have to
We're gonna enjoy the video and stay tuned for your next video, okay?
Damage, it was paid. Not because I'm tight. When you put it on the left.
Having my way with the money, yeah, that shit keep coming and coming. Been through the stack, I get rack on the rack, I keep dumbing and thumbing. I did a show, caught a case on the road, I ain't running from nothing. God on my side, I got nothing to hide, now I'm running from nothing.